Hello everyone, I'm Nanila and this is my measure for you Unit 3 midterm assignment. Number 1. Describe what happened to the domain and range of the logarithmic function and the vertical reflection. Support your explanation with diagram. So firstly, we have to know that y equal to log x is our parent function and vertical reflection is y equal to minus log x. Then we have to find domain and range for each. So domain, x belongs to real number and x must be greater than 0. For the range, y belongs to real number. For y equal to minus log x, domain is x belongs to real number and x must be greater than 0. For the range, y belongs to all real number. After that, we have to draw two tables for each one. So we have to put every number that is a real number in x is this. Then we have to calculate y is this. In the same way for the minus y equal to minus log x. Then we have to draw a graph. In y is this, it start with 1 and it start with 1 and end with minus 1, and then for the x it start with 0 and end with 10. Then we have to draw y equal to minus log x, y equal to log x and y equal to minus log x. So we will get like that two line. This is for number 1. For number 2, describe what happened to the domain and range of the logarithmic function and the both horizontal and vertical translation. Support your explanation with diagram. So firstly, in the same way, y equal to log a space 2 is our parent function. For vertical translation, it will be y equal to log a space 2 plus 2. And for horizontal translation, it will be y equal to log a plus 2 base 2 plus 2. So we have to find domain and range for each. So if we find domain and range for y equal to log x base 2, x belongs to real number and x greater than 0. For y equal to log x base 2 plus 2, domain will be x belongs to real number and x greater than 0. For y equal to log x plus 2 base 2 plus 2 is x belongs to R and x greater than minus 2. For the range, all the range below y equal, all the range is y belongs to real number. They are the same. After that, we have to draw a table for each. Y equal to log x base 2, y equal to log x plus 2 base x, y equal to log x plus 2 base 2 by base 2 plus 2. After that, we have to draw a graph for each table. So in here, 0 by 5 is minus 1. So in here, we have to find that in 0 by 1 is minus 1. In the same way, in here, 10 is 3 by 3. So in point number 10, we have to put 3 by 3 and point it. And we have to draw a line on the graph by connecting all the points that we made it. In the same way, we have to do 0. In x-axis, there will be 1 in y-axis. So we have to point it in here. Then we have to connect all the points and draw a line, draw a curve. And also in here, in 0, there is a in x-axis, if it is 1 is coordinate is 0, y is 3. So it is 0, 3. So we have to find 0, 3 and point it. So we have to draw like this and by connecting all the points. So this will be number 2, and I have to go number 3. In here, number 3. Number 3 have 4 questions. Graph the function f for x equal to 1 by 2 log x minus 4. For A, graph the line y equal to x on the same grid. Graph the inverse function y inverse x by reflecting f for x in the line y equal to x. For C, determine the domain and range of the equation of the asymptote of f inverse a. For D, determine the equation for f inverse of a. So let's start with number A. For number A, we have to draw a table to draw a graph. So f of a is equal to 1 by 2 log a minus 4. So in a and here is an a and y, f of a belongs to y. F of a is the same as y, so we put f of a in here. Then we have to put number 0 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x you like. And we have to calculate by substitution a in here. So we will get this number. After that, we have to draw in here. This is the line that I drawed. So in 0 0.5 is minus 4.5. So in 0 0.5 is minus 4.5. So here this is a dot for first dot. And 1 is minus 4. So here 1 is minus 4. Then 2 is minus 3.8. 2 is minus 3.8. So we have to draw all these y in here. So then we have to connect all the points that we made. And we will get this curve. And we have to label this y equal to 1 by 2 log x minus 4. After that, we have to go number B, y equal to x. So y equal to x means y is same as x. So if it is x is 0, y will be 0. If y is 1, x will be 1. So here is the table of this equation. Then we will draw this diagonal line y equal to x. Then we need to label it. After that, number C asks domain and range equation of the asymptote f inverse of a. Oh wait, we have to do f inverse of a in number B, so we have to draw f inverse of a, so like inverse of this one, so we have to draw this in here, just a reflection because it's inverse. So for the domain and range, f inverse of a's domain is here, wait, f inverse of a's. F inverse of a's domain is a's belong to real number. Range is a's belong to real number, y must be greater than 0. For the equation asymptote y equal to 0. For number D, we have to find f inverse of a's. So let's prefer f inverse of a's equal to y. So if we took f of y is equal to a, so a is equal to 1 by 2 log y minus 4. Then y equal to 10 power 2a plus 4. F inverse of a is equal to 10 power 2a plus 4. Thank you guys. Bye bye.